Hello everyone and welcome to another video of Web3s. So in this video I'm gonna show you the Pixelverse, actually PixelTap, created by Pixelverse. So this is the Twitter of the creator and owner of PixelTap, and it's been verified plus as a company since 2024, and they have the followers, verified followers actually here, and followers may be interested like YesCoin, like Diamor.co, like Bloom, and Trust Wallet. So this is more actually secure than others, and again, I'm saying don't use this game as a job. Just look at it as a hobby and play it in your free time to see what happens. Maybe you get some rewards, maybe not. So I'm still waiting for Lumberjack game. It's been announced that 4 days they wanna start and launch the token, so I will give you update on that one. But this one is kind of different because it's been created by another company and a Pixelverse, and this is the PixelTap, the robot that been created by this company or organization. So it's really easy to work with it. It's claiming, tapping. Actually, I claimed it, I can't tap it again. It's 7 hours until to claim again, and you can invite people to earn and get reward. There's a fight section here. You can create your actually pixel avatars, and you can upgrade them, and you can challenge with your friends. I just upgrade one of them, and this upgrade, it doesn't need any gas fee or untone or anything. You just upgrade it by your game token, and there are leaderboard of tops, and there are rewards here. So this rewards, there's a spin here. So you can spin it by spending the game token on this one. So I don't know why it's not coming up. And daily claim that you have every 24 hours you can claim your reward. So I already claimed my today rewards, and it's daily combo. You should find the cards in correct spots and get your reward, and you can search it in Google, or you can find in Telegram to get the correct ones, get the correct combos. So you have a task section here. So I think mine is empty, and you can change your language. It supports other than English, and this is interesting here. You can connect your Trust Wallet to this game. You don't need to create anything or pay gas thing until now. You can connect your Trust Wallet easy as other games, and you can connect other wallets, but I think Trust Wallet is better than others because it's been followed by the creator company, and you can change your wallet if you want it. And earning levels, you should fight to win one battle here, and like this you can claim your reward, or you can claim it every 7 hours like this. We see my balance here. It's about 7 millions. I didn't pay anything. I didn't charge anything actually. I just played the game, and I just did it by inviting. And until now, didn't pay gas fee. I didn't pay anything. Let me. Okay, it's for battle. But the company behind this is kind of big company, Pixelverse, and they have about 2.7 million followers. And this is the bot you're using. It's built by Pixelverse, and you see the community. It's about 9 millions of subscribers of the creator, so it's a lot. The countries there that they are working on it, and it's a big community on Telegram and Twitter and even other platforms. So it's been verified by a lot of companies, and I think this one is more trustable than others. I actually created a video about it, but I'm just saying again, do it as a hobby. Don't pay anything for it, and just use it in your free times. Don't look it as your job. So I checked everything. Everything is clear here, and it's actually verified. You see, you can connect other type of wallets. You can connect your Ton wallets, Binance, OKX, and other type of wallets. But I tried to trust wallets. It's more secure, and it's been followed by their creator. So I put the link in the description. Join it, enjoy it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I'm waiting for your comment. Thank you so much for watching this video.